In this video, we are going to talk about what is YouTube Cash Cow channel. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's get started. The majority of people who use YouTube do so for entertainment purposes, but what if I told you that you could make $100,000 per month on the platform without ever showing your face? Any previous experience with online media sites will have taught you that the majority of growth occurs as a result of maintaining consistency in one's efforts. What is a cash cow YouTube channel? It has been reported that Chase Namic, a self-made millionaire who owns more than 20 YouTube channels of his own, is the person who coined the phrase cash cow YouTube channel. Chase Namic is believed to have coined the phrase. Cash cow YouTube channels, in his opinion, are those that are created solely for the purpose of generating income through advertising. Simply put, these are YouTube channels that make money by attempting to attract as many views as possible, since YouTube pays per 1,000 views, and monetizing them solely through Google Adsense placements, as opposed to other advertising methods. Top 10 lists, conspiracy theories, anime, gaming, and other topics are just a few examples of what is available on the internet. The entire content is outsourced to third-party providers, with services such as script writers, voiceover actors, video editors, and thumbnail artists being offered as examples of the types of content available. Aside from uploading videos to video hosting sites and optimizing their descriptions, titles, and tags, the owner's only responsibilities are uploading videos to video hosting sites and optimizing their descriptions, titles, and tags. In light of this decision, you will not be required to appear in front of a camera in the future. It is possible to have a cash cow YouTube channel without having to appear on camera to promote your content. Felix Tens, for example, is an excellent example of such a channel because the owner of the channel never has to appear on camera to promote his or her content. How much can these channels make? The amount of money that these channels make can vary significantly depending on their location, the topics that they cover, and the demographics of their viewers, among other factors. By virtue of its location in the United States rather than another third-world country, an online channel can earn significantly more money than one based in another third-world country, as demonstrated by the example of the YouTube channel. As an excellent illustration of this, Felix Tens can be found on the internet. According to Social Blade, it appears that this is an Indian-based channel that generates the following amount of revenue. The screenshot above shows that, despite having 403k subscribers and more than 10 million views, this channel earns approximately $6,000 per month. Most of the time Social Blade's estimate is on the high end, and it is based in India, despite having 403k subscribers and more than 10 million views. How can you create a cash cow channel? There are two methods for creating a channel, and which method you choose will be determined by your willingness. $0 investment method. Only if you are willing to put forth the necessary effort will you be able to make use of this method effectively. You'll need a computer with plenty of processing power if you want to edit videos. When looking for content creation partners, look for niches with higher CPMs, such as finance, entrepreneurship, information technology, and automobiles. Suppose you are in the finance niche, and you want to create content for your website that includes the top 10 stock YouTubers or the top 10 finance books. For example, $$ method. Through the Fiverr platform, you can hire content creators to create content for your website or for other purposes that you specify. Your responsibilities will be limited to the supervision of content creators and the performance of quality checks in order to maintain the channel's excellent reputation with viewers. Aside from uploading videos to video hosting sites and optimizing their descriptions, titles, and tags, the owner's only responsibilities are uploading videos to video hosting sites and optimizing their descriptions, titles, and tags. In light of this decision, you will not be required to appear in front of a camera in the future. How much money can these channels make? According to the viewer's geographic location, the topic they're watching, and the audience they're attempting to reach, these channels generate revenue. When measured against their counterparts in other countries, the United States-based channels generate significantly more revenue. However, despite the fact that it is based in India, a YouTube channel with 403k subscribers and more than 10 million views generates approximately $6,000 per month, the Social Blade estimate is usually on the high end of the range. A YouTube channel with more than 50K subscribers and more than 16 million views earns approximately $12,000 per month. The company's estimate is usually on the high end, which is appropriate given that Social Blade is based in the United States. How can you earn $100,000 a month? People who conduct business in accordance with this model will, at the very least, have more than 20 channels in their business in order to round out their profits to the nearest whole number. Increase your profit margin by increasing the number of channels through which you conduct business. The 33 Rule. Although there is a rule in place to prevent you from posting content that is uninteresting to other users, you are not prohibited from doing so. In the event that you upload 33 videos to YouTube and none of them gain any traction, you will be subject to a $1,000 fine. Making changes to the content of your website is recommended. The YouTube cash cow, in contrast to other methods of generating income, is a long-term source of income that is organic and passive in nature. What are your thoughts on our video? Please let us know what you think in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.